Are you ready to transform the way your business manages time, projects, and payroll? Clockify is a free and powerful time tracking tool that will let you monitor employee work hours, track project progress, and generate reports for payroll and billing. Let's dive in and see how to use it. First, head over to Clockify and create a free account. Simply enter your email and set up a password, or sign up using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to create a workspace for your company. Enter your company name, and then invite your employees by entering their email addresses. Now, let's explore time tracking. Employees can start tracking time by entering a description of their task, selecting a project, and pressing the play button. When they're done, they just hit stop. To create projects, navigate to the Projects tab. Here, you can add new projects, assign team members, and set hourly rates for accurate cost tracking. One of Clockify's biggest strengths is its reporting. Go to the Reports section to generate detailed summaries of employee time, project progress, and billable hours. You can filter by date, employee, and project to get the insights you need. You can export these reports in various formats like CSV or PDF, making it easy to integrate with your payroll or accounting systems. And that's it. With Clockify, you're well on your way to streamline time management, accurate cost allocation, and confident compliance with labor regulations. Start using Clockify today to unlock the power of efficient time tracking for your business.